Okay, so this is my first time jump starting a car, and unfortunately it has to be my truck. I guess I left the lights on all damn night. So, yeah. So I'm using my old Jeep, which my sister's got now, she's not going to school today, and using it on my truck. And you can see right there, that little thing right there, that's an alarm. And all this thing's been doing ever since I tried getting in this truck is the alarm's going off. So I tried jumping it, that's all it's doing, and it makes a really funny noise. See if the Jeep can turn it on. So evidently the battery has just enough power to activate the alarm. Which means my truck thinks it's getting broken into, even though it's dead. So that's the last thing I wanted to have happen, because it wakes up the whole damn neighborhood. And this piece of shit is just annoying as fuck. There it goes again. That's all she's doing. Nothing. The battery's fucked. And there she goes again. Yep. As you can hear, that pitch is loud. Yeah. Fuck! God damn, the thing's so loud. Yeah. And then it'll shut off. And I'm freezing my ass off. And there it goes. So, now you see. This is starting to really piss me off. One pissed off guy signing out.